This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Halloween, Tuesday, the 31st of October. This is James Spann. It's a sunny, cool day for much of the state, and a freeze warning is in effect for the northern half of the state tonight. And tomorrow night, we could see a freeze down into parts of South Alabama. But we warm up by the weekend. Here's the upper air look, and a big trough evolving over the eastern states, helping to pull down the colder air. Here's the visible satellite view. The sky is mostly sunny across the state now, and will be dry for a while. We desperately need rain. We all know that. That's the radar composite this afternoon. Got a few sprinkles across southeast Louisiana and parts of Georgia, but nothing happening here. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s over the northern half of the state, with low 60s to the south. It's only 62 for Mobile, 61 for Dothan, Huntsville, 54. And again, we have a freeze warning tonight for the counties in darker blue on that map. The southernmost counties are Sumter, Marengo, Dallas, Autauga, Elmore, Macon, and Lee. And then to the south, we have a freeze watch for tomorrow night all the way down to the Florida state line. And that would include places like Dothan, Geneva, Andalusia, and Atmore. And also, we note the counties in the shades of hot pink there. That's a red flag warning, and it really includes much of the state. And that's because of the wildfire danger today with this dry air coming in and the low dew points and the wind. And we've got freeze warnings tonight all the way from central Texas up into parts of the southern Appalachians. Obviously, no severe weather anytime soon with this cold air. We do note the chance of some convective snow with snow squalls around the Great Lakes snow belts through tonight. Tomorrow, no thunder on the first day of the tornado season. Again, tornado season here, for those that are new, runs from November through May. And no thunder expected on Thursday. But goodness gracious, when's going to rain again? That's the big question we hear, and the right answer is really not anytime soon. We are looking at some chance of rain early next week in that Monday, Tuesday time frame, but limited moisture, probably not a big rain event, certainly no drought buster. Tropics, we have one feature on the board, a very disorganized tropical wave in the Caribbean. And the Hurricane Center has actually dropped the chance of development down to 60%. And if anything forms there, it's headed for Central America. This is the output from the GFS ensemble. And quite frankly, most of the members do not develop this. Just a few do. And if anything happens to form there, that will likely again head toward Central America, staying well to the south of the Gulf of Mexico. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow at 4. Troughing over the east, we start the day in the upper 20s and low 30s for the northern half of the state. We'll probably see upper 30s all the way down to Interstate 10. The day will be sunny with highs mostly in the 50s. This is Thursday morning, the chance of a freeze deep into South Alabama. Upper 20s, low 30s for most spots. The high will be around 60 for the northern half of the state, low to mid 60s for the south. And Friday will be a sunny day, highs in the 60s. And again, Friday morning will be pretty cold as well. We could see some spots with another freeze. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, we're expecting low to mid 70s for much of the state, 70 to 75. A really nice day after starting off the day in the upper 30s and low 40s, but a great day for college football. And Sunday looks dry with a partly sunny sky, highs in the mid 70s. And then we will mention the chance of showers Monday of next week with this next incoming feature. The Gulf opens up a little bit. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 7th, the new trough developing over the east, and that rain is basically already out of here. So, again, some chance of showers Monday night, maybe early Tuesday of next week, but I'm afraid it's not going to be a big rain event. Let's go out 10 days, Friday the 10th of November. It's a zonal flow, and that looks relatively quiet. Rain for Birmingham, this coming off the GFS ensemble. And looking for that green line, it's still under 1 inch between now and the 16th of November. Temperatures from the National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham, 53 tomorrow. Back in the 70s by the weekend. And again, note the bottom numbers, 30 tomorrow morning, 32 Thursday. But on a clear, calm night, we all know there'll be a huge variation because of elevation. The colder spots will be down in the low valleys. and protected areas. And again, we'll see a new surge of cooler air coming in here for the latter half of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC Outlook. This is for November 8th through the 14th. And if this verifies, temperatures here would be a little below average. Had a great time today. Good to see the incoming firefighters with Mountain Brook this morning. I did some training for them. Got a chance to serve lunch at Ohatchee Elementary School today. That was great fun. Tomorrow, I'll be speaking to the kids at Griggs Elementary School in Mobile, virtually, online, and then Children's of Alabama. It's Weather Wednesday, a program for the patients and their families there. Thursday, Donahue Elementary in Gadsden, and then Hayden Elementary in Blount County. Friday, Northport Elementary, Northport Intermediate. Be speaking to the Culver House School of Business at the University of Alabama. And then on to John Carroll High School for Friday night rivals. Be a big active day. That'll be a lot of fun. And then no book signing this Saturday. Again, I've got to practice with $1 Million Band. Saturday morning, I'll be directing the national anthem. Still trying to figure out how that all worked out, but that'll be before the Alabama-LSU game in Tuscaloosa. But the weather looks great for all the college games across the Deep South. And, of course, you know the deal. We invite you to join us on the television side right across the hall in Studio A. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.